Hello friends, Namaskar. Myself Bharat Chaniara from Ahmedabad. I am a retired senior scientist of Indian Space Research Organization. This is my privilege and pleasure that today I am going to speak about our great scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was born on 12th August 1919 at Ahmedabad. His father Ambalal Sarabhai was a rich industrialist and Sarla Devi was his mother. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was a distinguished scientist, great visionary, genius innovator and father of Indian space program. He was an institutional builder in various fields and broad spectrum personality. He was generous donor, gentleman, very kind and humble human being. One of his greatest achievements is the establishment of Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, in our country. He was an intelligent and genius student from his childhood, and he was very much interested in science. He completed his schooling at Ahmedabad and graduation in natural science from Cambridge University, England. He wanted to pursue his PhD study at Cambridge, but due to tense environment of World War II, he returned India. He started his research work on cosmic rays at Indian Institute of Science, known as IISc, Bangalore. At IISc, he carried out his research work under the kind guidance of Nobel Prize winner Dr. C.V. Raman sir. After World War II, he went back to Cambridge University and completed his PhD in cosmic rays. After completing his doctorate, he returned India and established Physical Research Laboratory known as PRL at Ahmedabad, where scientists can carry out research work in the field of science. He knew that satellite technology is very useful for the fast development of our country, hence he established ISRO on 15th August 1969. He donated his 100 acres of land in Ahmedabad, on which ISRO's first center, named Space Application Center, is situated today. He always wanted to use science and technology as the levers of development. I would like to share one noble example of his great vision. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai booked 5 parking slots for communication satellites with ITU, that is International Telecom Union, who is a governing body, immediately after formation of ISRO. At that time, there was no satellite technology with India. But Dr. Vikram Sarabhai knew that in future it will become very difficult to get parking slots due to very high demand from various countries. And today it became true. And we are using those parking slots booked by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai well in advance. So that shows his great vision. ISRO progressed on paths shown by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and in short time span, ISRO became world-class space agency of India. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was married to Mrinalini, who is recipient of Padma Shri Award, and have 2 children, one daughter Malika, who is an actress, classical dancer, activist and recipient of Padma Bhushan Award. His son Karthikeya is an industrialist, environmental educator, social worker and recipient of Padma Shri Award. With great vision, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai established many reputed institutes and organizations in various fields all over India. I would like to share few of them so that you can understand his versatility. He established Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association, known as ATIRA, at Ahmedabad, to carry out research work in the field of textile to improve the quality of cloth. He also established world-class Indian Institute of Management known as IIM at Ahmedabad to fulfill the requirement of highly qualified managers in our country. To generate pollution-free green and cheap electricity power, he established India's first atomic reactor at Kalpakam. In conjunction to this, he established Uranium Corporation of India in Jharkhand to meet the requirement of uranium for atomic reactors of our country. He also established Electronics Corporation of India at Hyderabad to promote electronics industries in India. For environment-friendly construction design, he established reputed Center for Environmental Planning and Technology that is known as CEPT University at Ahmedabad. To promote science and maths education among students, he established Community Science Center at Ahmedabad where students can perform practicals and can make models. As a part of social services, he established Blind Men Association at Ahmedabad where blind men can stay and study through brain language. His wife Mrinalini was a very good classical dancer, so they established Darpan Academy of Performing Art at Ahmedabad where interested people can learn dance. He received Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in 1962 and India's most prestigious and honorable awards Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in 1972. He held many distinguished positions in various prestigious institutes and organizations, and he was recipient of many honors. In his memory, ISRO Center at Thiruvananthapuram is named as Dr. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. In his memory, the International Astronomical Union named one of the moon crater as Dr. Sarabhai crater. He left this world on 31st December 1971 at the age of about 52 years. We will remember him for his immense contribution in various fields, especially in science and technology. I am proud to be a member of ISRO family which he loved most. Thank you for your kind attention and have a cheerful time ahead. Namaskar.